2025 BMW X7 continues its role as the flagship luxury SUV in the BMW family. A vehicle built for people who want comfort, presence, technology, and power all in one package. From the moment you walk up to it, the X7 makes a bold impression. The split LED headlights, the massive illuminated kidney grille, and the tall, confident stance make this SUV look unmistakably premium. Wide fenders, stretched proportions, and elegant surfacing give it the look of a modern luxury yacht on wheels. With available 22-inch or even 23-inch wheels, the X7 has the stance of a true full-size luxury SUV, and its road presence easily rivals the Mercedes GLS and the Cadillac Escalade. At the rear, the slim LED taillights flow cleanly across the tailgate, connected by a chrome strip that adds character without looking excessive. The bumper is sculpted, the exhausts are neatly integrated, and BMW's aerodynamic design touches help improve efficiency on the highway. The whole exterior feels modern, muscular, and premium without being too flashy. Open the door in the cabin immediately. Reminds you why the X7 sits at the top of BMW's SUV lineup. Everything inside looks sophisticated and feels expensive. You get soft-touch materials everywhere, high-grade leather options, beautiful stitching, and even crystal-style controls for a more luxurious look. The wide BMW curved display dominates the dashboard, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen. It runs BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 software, which is faster, cleaner, and easier to use. The graphics are sharp, the menus react smoothly, and you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right out of the box. Voice commands respond quickly, and ambient lighting across the dash adds a futuristic touch that changes color based on your driving mode or personal preference. The seats are designed for long road trips. The front seats can be heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions. They offer plenty of support without feeling too firm. Move to the second row and you can choose between a 3-person bench or captain's chairs. Either way, the middle row feels genuinely luxurious, offering strong legroom, soft cushions, dedicated climate control, and optional screens for rear entertainment. Even the third row is surprisingly usable, offering enough space for adults on short journeys and plenty of room for kids at any time. USB-C ports are placed throughout all 3 rows, making the X7 truly road trip ready. Cargo space is generous for a luxury 3-row SUV. With all seats up, you get enough room for daily luggage or groceries. Fold the third row and the X7 opens up for larger items. Fold both the second and third rows and the SUV becomes a massive cargo hauler. BMW's split tailgate makes loading easier. The small lower section drops down like a shelf, useful for seating or sliding objects in without scratching the bumper. The performance of the 2025 BMW X7 is one of its strongest points. The base engine, found in the xDrive 40i, is a 3.0-liter, turbocharged inline-6 producing 375 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. It's smooth, strong, and surprisingly quick. The engine is paired with a mild hybrid system that improves efficiency and helps fill low RPM power gaps. If you want more excitement, the M60i comes with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 packing 523 horsepower. This engine transforms the X7 into a seriously fast luxury SUV, one that can sprint with confidence and still cruise smoothly. The top-tier Alpina XB7 takes things even further with a handcrafted version of the V8, giving you more power, more torque, and a more exclusive driving experience. The 8-speed automatic transmission is buttery smooth when you're cruising and quick when you need acceleration. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system gives you traction in every weather condition: snow, rain, wet roads, and gravel. The adaptive air suspension is standard and constantly adjusts to the road, creating a floating, comfortable ride. Yet when you switch to sport mode, the suspension firms up, the steering becomes sharper, and the X7 handles corners with surprising confidence for such a large vehicle. Optional rear-wheel steering makes parking and tight turns easier, shrinking the size of the SUV in crowded spaces. Inside the cabin, noise levels are impressively low. Even at higher speeds, wind and road noise barely enter the interior thanks to acoustic glass and strong insulation. This gives the X7 the feel of a luxury lounge on wheels, perfect for long drives. Fuel economy varies by engine, with the 6-cylinder offering the best efficiency in the V8, delivering performance at the cost of higher consumption. But for a vehicle of this weight and power, the numbers remain competitive across the segment. Advanced safety features come standard. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, frontal collision warning, and cross-traffic alerts. Optional upgrades include BMW's Driving Assistance Professional Package, which adds hands-free highway assist, automatic lane changes, and more advanced lane centering. Parking is effortless thanks to 360-degree cameras, a 3D remote view you can check from your phone, and BMW's reversing assistant, which retraces the car's last 150 feet of steering inputs to exit tight spaces. Now, when it comes to price, the 2025 BMW X7 covers a wide range depending on trim and equipment. In the United States, the xDrive 40i starts at $85,475, making it the most accessible version. Step up to the M60i, and the price rises to around $113,075. The ultra-exclusive Alpina XB7 sits at roughly $153,575 before any customization. Optional packages such as upgraded leather, rear entertainment, premium audio, individual paint options, and advanced driver assistance can increase the cost significantly. A fully loaded M60i can easily reach around $130,000 to $140,000, while a fully loaded Alpina can push toward $165,000 or more. In Pakistan, due to heavy import duties, taxes, and shipping costs, the price climbs dramatically. The xDrive 40i typically falls in the range of PKR $29,000 to PKR $32,000, while multiple market listings place the 2025 model around PKR $38,000 depending on options and importer. A loaded version or an M60i can approach or exceed PKR $45,000, and the Alpina XB7, if brought through a private importer, can climb above PKR $60,000. The variation depends heavily on customs duty, dollar exchange rates, registration, and port fees. The 2025 BMW X7 ultimately brings together everything most people want in a modern luxury SUV. It offers a massive, comfortable interior, advanced technology, strong engine options, and a beautiful balance between comfort and dynamic handling. Few SUVs manage to feel this premium, while still delivering the performance and practicality that families and executives expect. Whether you choose it for long-distance road trips, daily commuting, or simply to enjoy a high-quality driving experience, the X7 proves once again why it remains one of the top luxury SUVs of its class.